You will agree with me, it is not impossible to deny the fact that Tesla is the king of the EV market, where it sold 500,000 cars in 2020. But if there is one company from the legacy automakers who is challenging for the crown, it is Volkswagen. In 2020, Volkswagen sold over 9 million cars worldwide, which were all conventional internal combustion engine cars. But they are targeting by 2030 all their cars will be EVs. They are planning to put in over $38 billion into EV development and production, which is the most by any legacy automakers. The question is, can they catch up with Tesla? In this video, I'm going to put forward my perspective about it. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Sunny Snippets. Here, I try to make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. We all have understood by now that if you want to be in the car business, you need to be making and selling EVs, not the conventional internal combustion engine cars. Let me spell out my perspective about the topic Volkswagen plans to take on Tesla. Until a few years ago, most of the auto companies were either ignoring the trend or not putting in enough thought behind the idea of electric vehicles, and as a result, they were very slow off the blocks. Now, all of a sudden, they realize EV is the new way the cars are going to be built, where Tesla is so far ahead of everybody else as far as their EV technology, battery technology, or the software behind it is concerned. They have to catch up with Tesla when their existing bread and butter auto business is on decline. Eventually, they have to shut down engine and transmission plants while retooling the existing plants for EVs. As a matter of fact, you cannot do all this in a matter of months or years. In the meanwhile, Tesla is not sitting idle. Instead, they are ramping up their plant and technologies. Recently, Tesla tied up long-term supply contracts with mining companies for basic materials used in making electric batteries. They have developed their own batteries while ramping up their in-house battery production to supply up to 50% of their battery needs. So if one company is so integrated from the raw material to their batteries to the production of their cars, developing self-driving software, how do you think legacy automakers are going to compete when they start almost a decade later? But if there is one company who is showing the most promise out of all the legacy automakers, it is Volkswagen. They plan to spend about $38 billion in the production and development of EVs, which is most by any legacy automaker. Tesla is still the dominant EV player by numbers, EV technology, battery technology, related software, etc. So can Volkswagen catch up? If you think Volkswagen or any other automaker can catch up to Tesla, please share your views by writing in the comment section below. In my view, this is very simple way of comparing two companies in the same industry when you compare their comparative footprint, which can be financial or infrastructure. Let's see Tesla's footprint as of 2021, who is considered as the big daddy of EV market. Tesla sold about 500,000 cars worldwide in 2020 that gave them an annual revenue of $13.5 billion, up from $24.5 billion in 2019, which is an impressive jump of about 28% year on year. Tesla has got a capacity of 1 million cars while rapidly building new gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, along with expansion in Shanghai, which will give them a capacity of over 3 million EVs a year by 2022. They've got a very impressive line of EVs with Tesla Solar quickly ramping up too. On the flip side, VW is a very impressive company that sold about 9 million cars that give them an annual revenue of 220 billion euros, which is about $265 billion, making it the largest car company in the world. They are not small by any standards, as Volkswagen Group has got 12 very well-known brands like Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, etc. to name a few. Because they make so many cars, thus they have got 118 production plants all over the world, which includes 34 in Asia, 66 in Europe, 5 in North America, 9 in South America, and 4 in Africa. Basically, they make cars on every continent in this world. So they know how to make cars, but now they have to retool it to make EVs. In nutshell, they have all the tools at their disposal. All they need is to develop the EV technology and master the execution. I know this seems like a very simple thing to do, but developing an EV technology by putting in billions of dollars while their existing car business is on decline, the EV leader in the space, Tesla, is at least 5 to 10 years ahead of you in technology. Don't you think it is a tall order? In the market driven economy, the market determines what type of valuation it has to give to a particular business based on its value and its projected value in the future. I completely understand that at times market goes too optimistic or pessimistic about the valuations, but the trend of the valuation speaks a lot. If you don't go into the details, just see the trend and the market cap of these two automakers, Tesla and Volkswagen, you can get a fair bit of idea which way the market thinks the growth is. This year in 2021, Tesla sold about half a million cars with a peak valuation about $800 billion, whereas Volkswagen, by making 9 million cars, had a peak market valuation of about $150 billion. Rather than going into fundamental analysis of these two stocks, if you focus on the ratio of the cars sold to the market cap of these two companies, it's clearly evident that the market thinks Tesla has got much more potential right now as far as their future earning power is concerned as compared to Volkswagen. That doesn't mean it can't change, but I believe the change will be incremental, not in multiples of 3 or 4. I'm not a financial analyst but a simple guy on YouTube, but I think it is not likely that Tesla will go to $150 billion market cap and Volkswagen will go to $800 billion in market cap. Hope you get the idea. VW last week was up 25% as far as their stock price is concerned. Their CEO took the leaf out of Tesla's book, had their power day on Monday where they announced they are going to have 6 EV plants by 2030, plan to reduce battery cost over a period of time, spending billions of dollars on software development, etc., to name a few. It was stated that Volkswagen plans to dethrone Tesla as the lead global EV company, and the CEO of Volkswagen on Power Day Monday said, and I quote, "Our goal is to secure a pole position." Close quote. So it is very evident that Volkswagen is the most aggressive legacy automaker who wants to transition to the new EV technology, and by 2030 they plan to have most of their cars electric vehicles. So intent and resources is one thing, but developing an EV technology, tying up the vital batteries at a time when everybody is scrambling for batteries is going to be challenging, but may not be impossible to do. At a time when you will be dependent on outside supplier, Tesla is vertically integrated from sourcing raw materials from mines to the end product. I must say, to emulate Tesla's EV strategy boosted their stock price by 180% from its lows in 2020, but implementing it to make a profit is a totally different thing. Volkswagen knows how to make cars, but these days cars are not just mechanical things. They have become computers on wheels, and that is where Tesla's Elon Musk, with his technology background, has got a clear edge. I must say, nobody has a crystal ball to tell what exactly is going to happen in 2030, but given the trend and the evolution of technology in EV space clearly points to one direction, that the era of legacy automakers is on decline and the trend of computers on wheels is the thing of the future. This is my take on Volkswagen plans to take on Tesla. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please feel free to write in the comments below about the topic or any other topic that you want me to touch base on. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your own channel, Sunny Snippets.